Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm going to show you how to properly grow corn in your backyard garden. So first, of course, just find a spot, dig a nice hole. So I will encourage you guys to ensure that the soil that you're going to grow the corn, it is actually a bit loose there, just to ensure that the roots form properly. Best if you get it as deep as you possibly can, but of course not too deep. And that is simply because if there's a lot of rain, then of course the corn will be easily uprooted. So we'll actually throw the seed in the hole now. Whenever you're doing it, please ensure that of course you kind of space them out as much as possible. Don't cluster them up to each other. Simple, cover up the holes, give it like about anywhere between 5 to 8 days for it to germinate. So I would have just planted that one. Right, so once the corn is once the corn germinate and start to grow, of course, so this is one that is actually growing. You have to ensure that you keep on what we call in Jamaica mouling the corn, so that is getting some dirt around the root, right? Getting the dirt around the root there. Now this prevent the corn from actually falling down, for example if there's a lot of breeze, or as I said before, a lot of rains. Now what I realized is that corns, they actually love water, not a lot of rain. Because if there's a lot of rain, then of course it can destroy the leaf section of the plant. But most definitely you're doing your backyard garden, just simply ensure that you give it enough water, because corn, it is like grass, I would actually say. So you have to ensure that it is properly um hydrated in terms of you watering it. So as I said guys, some simple tips, just ensure that you keep on mowing the corn, or of course getting the dirt around the root of the corn there. And then of course at this stage you can give it some fertilizers. Now whenever you're fertilizing the corn, don't throw it exactly to the root there. Give it like about a few inches away from the roots. As you can see, fertilizer right there. So this actually speed up the process in terms of the plant itself growing, and then it will be able to actually bear the corn much faster. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please of course leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.